Welcome to Come Hobby with Us. I made another trip to Dollar General and found even more things that we would like to have in our sewing and craft rooms. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Most of your dollar stores do have towels. Sometimes I go into stores and they're a little thin, but these have a nice feel to them, and these are $6.50. I like that they've got some pale blue. Oh, they've got a pretty teal. They've got some neutral colors here. These are great for gifts. Make great gifts. Just pick up a couple of them and embroider on those, and you are set to go. Here's another great item at your dollar store. These type of mats. They're called thick grip liners. These are great to go under your foot pedal of your machine to keep it from sliding. But I'm just going to pick up a smaller roll. These are $7. This one here is $1.50, and it will be great for what I need it for. So we're going to get for $1.50. We're going to pick this one right here up. Another great storage idea is to use cubes, foldable cubes. These come flat, but then they pop up and open to make a nice size storage cube. The size on these was almost an 11 by 11 by 11. I have plenty of these in my craft room now, so I won't be picking any more up. But if you need some, look at all of these different colors that you can get these in. I think there's a plaid. So yeah, they have a nice variety. Great idea for storage. Moving on to the laundry section, do you need a smaller ironing board for your craft room? This one is a tabletop ironing board. You could leave it laying flat on your cutting table or desk, but it does have little legs on it if you need to raise it a little higher. Great for some smaller spaces. Looks like these are priced at about $10. Do you use the school glue sticks? I use those in my sewing room. I use that as a gluing type of basting. Priced at 3 for $2.25. Here's a chance to get a new glue gun for $11 and a package of glue sticks for $5. Or there's a smaller package just above these. Let's see if we can get those in the shop. There we go. Have you thought about painting some of your fabric to be sewn on? Pick up some craft paint and water it down a little. Here are some Sharpies and permanent markers. I sometimes use these when I'm tracing a pattern, and I even use them sometimes to fill in missing stitches on an embroidery design. They're very helpful for me. And in another part of the store, I found some other Sharpies that are in pastel colors. So I decided to pick up a few of each one. Oh, looky what I found. Men's Hanes t-shirts, 3 for $12. I like to embroider on t-shirts. They're great for the grandkids or anybody else. I like them for myself as far as that goes. They're a men's size, but these are basically a unisex size, and just look at all the colors. You never know what you're going to find. In the art section, there's also some paint brushes. You could use these for other arts and crafts, but small brushes like this are really good for cleaning out your sewing machine that picks up the little dust. If you don't pick up those, try in the makeup department where you'll find some nice fluffy brushes, and these are good for, as I said, cleaning out that dust in the machine. And be sure and check on baby wipes. These are good for cleaning your desk surface, good for cleaning your scan and cut, or even wiping down your cutting board. I use these a lot. If you see coloring books, take a look. These are great for making your own applique pieces. Just a little bit of tracing and drawing and you're set. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure and subscribe and hit that like button. Check below for some video links that I think you'll like. Bye-bye.